Introduction to any English literature. My name is Patricius Michael Diki Carlos. Topic 1. Element of drama. A definition of the concept. In classical literary study, Aristotle in Poetics explained that drama tragedy consists of 6 main parts: plot, character, tone, diction, music, and spatial. Aristotle via picture 1895. This theory is the foundation of many modern introduction to drama. Many modern drama module in Indonesian them simply and modify this element into plot, character, setting, them language, and spatial state direction as the element of drama found in drama. Cherry, Roman 2013. Element explanation. 1. Plot sequence of interconnected event, exposition, conflict, climax, resolution. 2. Character story, character with a train's motivation and roles, a protagonist, antagonist, supporting. 3. Setting time, place, atmosphere, and social condition framing the events. 4. The main idea concept that animates the entire story. 5. The language diction, character space that move the plot, builds character, and conveys conflict. 6. A spatial state element, visual performance, aspect, stage, costume, props, lighting, movement that creates dramatic effect. Example 1. Romeo and Juliet, Shakespeare. Plot: secret love between Romeo and Juliet amid montage couple family fun. Kate Evans basketball duel with stable secret marriage sleeping position plan squeezes in the tomb. Character: Romeo and Juliet tragic protagonist Tybalt Mercius fear Lawrence parents from both families. Setting: Verona and surroundings, Renaissance era aristocratic, everyone with strong family honor. Them, love versus hatred, generational conflict, consequence of blind empty bloom, 1998. The language and spatial. Volcanic skin, poetics, the language, street, dual tone, skin as tragic climax. Example 2. Death of Salman Abdul Miller. 1. Plot: final days of Willy Loman and aging Salman failing to achieve the American dreams. Blend of a present skin and flashback solving the source of the downfall. 2. Character: Willy Loman, Linda, Beef, Harvey, Carly, Bernard. 3. Setting: a Loman family home, part World War II, big city, American economic pressure, and material success culture. 4. The illusion of success, identity conflict between hope and reality. 5. The language spatial, family, the language full of accusation and Daniel lighting and position change mark times served. Topic 2. Melodrama. A definition of the concept. In Turkish history, melodrama is a dramatic genre that highlights exaggerates emotion, simple moral conflict, good versus evil, black and white character, and a plot full extreme and sensational events. Both 1965. Lexi 2000. Etymological, the term comes from melos, music, and drama, action, because early melodrama often used music and intensive emotion. Like 2000, the mind of character of melodrama according to genre study, very virtuous, good characters, and very able feelings, polarization of character, simple and clear moral conflict, goodness versus weakness, extreme events, betrayal, slander, attempted murder, accident, and dramatic gestures. Music and stage effects are used to manipulate audience emotion. The ending usually famous the good character good wins, evil is punished even if it come after Hafiz suffering Lexi 2000. Example 1. The Octrum Dion's boat coach. 1. Seeding Southern use slavery era race and slave status restoration. 2. Character Jew Octrum and Georgi good character victim of racist system. M. Kloski other greedy manipulative. Tom Please 1985. 3. Conflict and events. 3 of Jews sell attempts, absolute murder, identity, or later revelation. 4. Why melodrama emotion draw to sympathy for victim and anger at perpetrators where clear moral conflicts can make highlight dramatic. Example 2. A Tale of Two Childs, Dickens stage adaptation. 1. Seeding, French Revolution, Paris and London. 2. Character and Dame, Sydney Carton as a sacrifice figure, Charles Darnley and Louis Manette as family core violence revolutionary moves. Dickens 1859. Film 2003. 3. Events arrange trials, constructs, moves, guillotine, execution, carton, sacrifice. 4. Why melodrama? Very strong emotion, conflict, heroics, sacrifice, extreme events, clear moral message, love, redemption, justice. Part 2a. Intrinsic element of 4 Shakespeare's plays. 1. Othello. A. Main intrinsic element. 1. Racism and stereotypes about the Moor. In Shakespeare's time, early 17th century England held ambivalent figures of Africans and Muslims, often labeled Moors, who were portrayed as an exotic and something dangerous. Lockman 2002. 2. Patriarchal culture and male honor. Elizabeth Society figures women through the lens of sexual honor, of wives' chastity and faithfulness were strongly tied to her husband honor. Nearly 1985. 3. Military and political context of Phoenix, Turkey. The Venetian sitting at war with Turkey represents the military war and tensions between Christian Arabs and Muslim Turkish powers. Lockman 2002. B. Influence of the story and development of the drama. Othello's status as a Moor makes him an outsider, respected for his military skill, but skill distorted racially and culturally. This triangular identity makes him more susceptible to language slander. Particle values caused Othello to feel that his masculine honor in this destroyed by the mere possibility of Desdemona's infidelity. This pushes him toward extreme action, killing his wife. The military war reinforced the dam of Geolosis and honored his reputation as both general and husband is a state. See genre and supporting Jalan Gua skin evidence. Genre tragedy evidence. The skin were Lego manipulate Othello with the handkerchief and suspicion about Cassian saw how Othello's psychological weakness, jealousy, inferiority, and exploited the bedroom skin where Othello Desdemona is the speak of his moral culpates. He believes he is acting honorable, yet is a fact commits tragic murder. Two, King Lear. A main intrinsic element, one political anxiety about succession and state stability in Shakespeare era England was anxious about the royal successions, especially near the end of Elizabeth's reign and the consequence of divided power. Grandblatt 2012. Two, patriarchal family structure and paternal authority father. Especially kings noble have great authority over their children. This disobedience was seen as a grave often. Come 1986. 3. Moral and religious fibers on pride and suffering. Protestant Christian culture emphasizes that pride leads to downfall and suffering can breed repentance and self-knowledge. Greenblatt 2012. B. Influence on the story and development of the drama. Lear's decision to defeat the kingdom based on flattery rather than reason reflects anxiety about unstable succession or when power is mismanaged, the state falls into chaos. As a father king who demands of praise, Lear envisioned the problem of excessive authority when authority is abused, both family and state resolution collapse. Lear suffering but misfit from the place wandering in the strong, losing him harness longer conveys the moral idea that pride and folly leads to tragic ruins. C. Genre and supporting dialogue skin evidence. Genre tragedy evidence the opening division of the kingdom. Skin reveals Lear's fatal error. He rejects Hannes Cordelia and empowers hypocritical generation and regime. The strong skin saw Lear's physical and mental breakdown as a king who has lost both power and identity, symbolizing inner and outer collapse. Three, Macbeth. A main intrinsic element, One, political context and fear of treason under James England was troubled by political conspiracies such as the Good Power Plot of 1605. Treason against the king was seen as a major crime. Grambling, 2012. To believe in witchcraft and witches. People of the time strongly believed in witchcraft. James I even wrote a demonology about the dangers of witches. Scare 1996. Three Christian Athens on sin, ambition, and divine punishment. Killing a king. Regis Kate was not only political treason but also a grave resolution sin. Be influenced on the story and development of the drama. The three witches, whereas a sister represent social fear about evil forces that harm humans. Their prophecy ignites much's ambition. The murder of King Duncan reflects anxiety about treason and the instability that follow when irregular rules is violently overthrown. The quiet experience by Macbeth and Lady Macbeth. How Lucinity's danger, blood-stained hands, insomnia saw the clash between ambition and moral religious values. See genre and supporting Gillengood skin evidence, genre tragedy, evidence the witches of prophecy skin at the beginnings on the place triggers Macbeth's ambition and set up this downfall. The outdominant spots can where Lady Macbeth imagines her hands covered in indelible blood saw psychological punishment for sin and is a key feature of tragedy. For Hamlet, a main intrinsic element, one influence of the Renaissance and humanization. Shakespeare's period was marked by growing interest in psychology and rational inequality into the world and the state. Grambling, 2012. To manage monarchical structure and court intrigues in Europe's power struggle, political Americans and hidden murder were not unfamiliar in early modern Europe courts. 3. Religious beliefs about God and afterlife. Believe that the dead may well as gods if they have not retrieved justice was common. This underlies the appearance of the god Hamlet's father. Grambling, 2012. Be influenced on the story and development of the drama. Hamlet as highlight reflective and hesitant prince reflects the intellectual spirit of the Renaissance. He does not immediately take reference but question the morality of action, the truth of the gods, and the meaning of life and death. The intrigue with the royal family, Claudius murdering his brother, the building gratuitous excess public suspicion about the legitimacy of rules. The gods context the place of religious belief about spirit and defies justice and becomes the cause of Hamlet's inner conflict, so he trusts the gods and break religious norms. C. Genre and supporting dealing good skin evidence, a genre tragedy evidence that to be or not to be soliloquy present a deep inner conflict about life, death, and existential suffering typical of psychological Renaissance tragedy. The final duel and the change of death, Hamlet, Curtius, Claudius, and Laertius saw a tragic resolution in which almost as major character Paris. Summary binding text and context in literary analysis. Literary analysis employs two primary approaches, intrinsic and extrinsic. The intrinsic approach examines textual elements such as language style, narrative structure, and writing techniques. Conversely, the intrinsic approach investigates external factors like the author biography, historical background, and social culture context. Combining both methods enable a comparative understanding of literary works along with their social and cultural implications. Works such as Harry Potter, The Lord of the Rings, The Bell Jar, and Scapious Place illusion how context can both complicate and enrich textual interpretation through integrating intrinsic and intrinsic analysis products as balanced and meaningful understanding of literature. This material summary discussion literary analysis as a method for understanding how a text creates meaning through their methods and style with two main approaches. The intrinsic approach focuses on internal elements of the text such as plot, character, setting, themes, language, style, imagery, and symbol, whereas the text as self-contained work without relying on external information. In contrast, an extrinsic approach emphasizes factors outside the text, including the author, background, historical, social culture, and political condition to explain the context of discussion and response to issue. The key difference lies in the intrinsic focus on structure, style, and language with the text stands of their own, while the intrinsic examines the influence from history, society, and the author. The text is shaped by its context. For example, is a story about a broke family in intrinsic analysis that shows a child's emotion, narrative tone, and symbol like an empty house, whereas the extrinsic context is two societal family issue. Combining both yielded the stronger interpretation. In conclusion, the two approaches complement each other for a deep understanding by integrating text and context.